and a scissor here. The way I do serrateds is, unless these nubs are gone, unless this thing has no ability to come back from a sharpening, I regrind these serrations with my diamond wheel here, and that will cut those scallops right back in. But generally speaking, these knives, they last quite a long time, and you know, when these nubs are maybe another 20% down, then I'll cut in some new serrations for the customer. This time they're just looking for a sharpening, so that's totally fine. So the way I sharpen serrated, I'm about a 45-degree angle to the belt, about 15 degrees, and just run these on the edge of the belt. This is a 120 Cubitron, and you can see the edge starting to come up there. There we go. And just a light pass on the back to bring the burr down, and then I'll bring it up here. Get the burr all the way off with this 600 grit Scotch-Brite wheel. And then what I usually do, and it's really sharp already, but what I usually do is just bring it over to the leather. One last pass. And now this is stinking sharp.